Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how we install the latest SAP BW 7.5 on the Microsoft Sql Server. All right, so as you can see here, I have the Windows Server 2012 in the virtual machine. I'm going to install the latest NetWeaver 7.5 in this virtual machine on Microsoft Sql Server 2012. Right? So in order to install that, we have to use the latest software management provision tool. Okay, so here is this tool. We just double click, run the SCP in. Yeah, take some time to run this software provision tool because only in the latest software provision tool you have the option to install the SAP NetWeaver 7.5, which is the latest platform. Okay, as you can see here, besides the 7.4, SR2, SR1, we have another option, SAP NetWeaver 7.5. All right, so we just choose the Microsoft Sql Server and go to SAP System, and then choose Application Server above, then choose Standard System. Okay, because we're gonna install the standard application server for ABAP. Yeah, so the system is still loading, and it may take a little bit time. Let's just wait and see how it's gonna come up. Right, we choose custom. All right, and then we go to the next step. So we just named the system ID. Made a mistake, change it. Okay, no, we don't want to set FQDN. We uncheck that, and then we just choose the kernel. All right. So in my case, the kernel is on a network drive, and just choose that one and click next, and then should be pretty straightforward. Give the password for all user. I think I have a password. Next step. And we choose local. Yeah, this is a default password we have already entered before. So we just simply click next step. Okay, this is a database server we're gonna connect to, right? So by default is this machine's name because I have installed the database server in the same machine, all right? So we can simply click next. So that's just an information for us that a new database will be created based on that ID we just input, all right? Okay, this jumps some attention, warning, swap, this stuff. Before we do that, we can choose this the memory, the virtual memory, see how it is. Yeah, should be okay. So we have this much memory, And what's the message told us? Yeah, this we have more memory than that. We just click next. Do you want to repeat check again? I click no. And it's local. This is the host agent, right? This is password. Let me write it again. So this is just export, okay? So the same location. Okay, just click next. The password again, the same. This is the Microsoft Sql Server login. Let's try. And yeah, I just choose medium. Yeah, it's nothing special. This is data. We just change the path to the Microsoft Sql Server path. All right. So, and you can keep the default. It's not a big deal, but I would like to change that way. So click next step. And this temporary and this temporary file should be fine. And I click next. Okay, so yeah, this is default. Click next. And we can choose the number of parallel jobs. So in this case, I choose 6 in order to speed up the process. And we can give a instance number. We keep this as give 02 and 3, right? So we click next and click next. And this password, okay, next, next. Okay, because this is not for production, so we don't need the key to protect or encrypt, right? Just choose the full key and click next. So we now should be ready. We click next and click next. So we just review all the parameter we have set before, and if everything is fine, we just click next. So we are ready to install the SAP NetWeaver 7.5 on the Microsoft Sql Server, all right? So we just wait a few minutes. This should be installed successfully. After about 20 minutes, and we're gonna see this message, which means we have already installed the SAP BW 7.5 on Microsoft Sql Server successfully. Okay, we just click OK. So to exit this installation. Okay, now we can go to the SAP Management Console and we can expand the SAP system. So far, we should only have one system, SAP, the BW 7.5, and this data should be green, it's up and running. All right, so which means we have already successfully installed the BW 7.5 on Microsoft Sql Server, and also we can log on from uh, the front end, right? So if we try to log on from the ICP GUI, use the default use DDIC and the password we have that during the installation, we should be able to log on. Okay. So we go to the system and status. Sorry, system status, and you can see it's BW 7.5 for pack 0. All right. So yeah, this is how to install the SAP BW 7.5 on Microsoft Sqlserver 2012. Okay, thanks for watching.